Formal lang nanumpas sa tungkulin ng bagong NBI Director na si Virgilio Mendez. Tiniyak ng bagong hepe ang mas agresibong serbisyo ng ahensya ngayong taon. Sinuel Perfecto sa detalye.
Simula ngayong taong ito, isang mas agresibo at mabagsik na National Bureau of Investigation ang magbibigay ng kakaibang serbisyo sa bayan. Agresibo dahil titiyakin ng ahensya na matatapos na ang pamamayagpag ng lahat ng mga organisadong sindikato sa bansa. At mabagsik dahil haharbin na nila ang iba't ibang klase ng grupong kriminal na sobrang nagpapahirap sa mga otoridad. Itong matapang na pahayag ni bagong talagang director ng National Bureau of Investigation na si Attorney Virgilio Mendez ng makapanayam ng PTB4 matapos na maiabot ni Justice Secretary Laila de Lima ang working papers nito bilang hepe ng prestihiyosong investigation arm ng Pilipinas.
We will support the President that there should be stronger implementation of the law. And being one of the enforcement arm of the government, we will do the best we can.
Yung Batangas operation sir,
That's this afternoon. In fact, that was already this start because the President was already very much concerned about the series of unabated killings in that area. And hopefully, we can solve some of those killings as a result of that operation we have yesterday.
Pyramiding scam, Janet Lim Napoles scam, Peking Saro controversy, rice cartel, human trafficking, Malampaya fund scam at Ma'am Arlene ng judiciary scam. Prioridad din sa NBI ang malalimang investigasyon sa pagkakakilanlan ng tunay na big-time rice smuggler na si David Tan alias Davidson Bangayan. Tiwala si Director Mendez tulad ni Secretary Laila de Lima na si Davidson Bangayan at David Tan ay iisa at pareho.
He denies any involvement. His name does not appear in all the transactions. But there's nothing impossible. We just continue with our work.
Are you optimistic that
Yeah, of course. Every time we work on a case, kailangan positive yung thinking mo.
so it means to say you have to invite him back to your
One of these days probably. If there is a necessity.
Sobrang tiwala rin ng ilang mga opisyalis ng Bureau kasamang Assistant Director at dating OIC na si Luigi De Lemos sa kakayahan ng bagong direktor na maibalik ang integridad at high morale ng mga opisyalis at kawani ng National Bureau of Investigation.
We will throw our full support to the new director of the NBI. We are happy that he is one of us, and we hope that the NBI will move towards more successful investigations and more efficient public service.
Among the directorial staff, siyang pinaka-senior sa atin. And then I think that would be the excellent choice of the President and the Secretary of Justice to appoint him as the new NBI Director.
Masaya ako dahil insider yung na-appoint ng Presidente bilang bagong NBI Director. Magaling na leader si Mendez at magaling mag-alaga ng mga tao niya.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako naman si Noel Perfecto.